Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome for today's lecture. Student, this is Dark Age, 3000 BC to 1890. As I told you, this Dark Age is divided into two duration. First duration start from 3000 BC to 1614. So we have discussed in the last lecture. Now I will discuss the second duration of the Dark Age, which start from 1640 to 1890. So you can see from this slide, second edition, which started 1614 to 1890. This is called the age of mechanical computing devices. In this duration, various mechanical computing devices introduced and replaced the use of abacus. So computation was done through mechanical part movement or motion. Now student, in this duration, different kind of mechanical device came to perform computation in better way with the improved versions, but there was involvement of some mechanical parts through which we perform calculation. In next few slides, we will discuss each computing device briefly. This is the summary of mechanical devices which came in 1614 to 1890. Like in 1614, Napier bones invented by John Napier. So John Napier invented another device which is called logarithm table on the basis of Napier bones. In 1622, slider rule, or you can say slide rule, came, which is invented by Orchard William. These two devices were very simple to calculate, very simple machine. You can say very simple machine to calculate numbers or count the number. But the first machine, you can say the first machine came or invented by Pascal, which is called Pascaline machines. So you will see in the next few slides how it works. Later on, 1672 Rechner machine or calculating machine invented by Leibniz. And boys, the student remembers Leibniz was one of the first scientists or mathematicians who gave the idea of binary numbers, the use of binary number with machines. In 1786, difference engine came. The idea of difference engine given by J.H. Muller, but he could not implement. Practically, it is implemented by Charles Babbage, and you know that student Charles Babbage is also called father of digital computer. How he is called, we'll see next few slides. In 1790, a textile loom was invented, which worked through punch card, and it is invented by Joseph Mary or Mary. In 1812, the extension of difference engine came out in the world, which is again invented by Charles Babbage with this machine called analytical engine. These all devices I will discuss in next few slides one by one. The first one is Napier bone. Student, you can see these are the Napier bones. How they calculate, you see here. It is developed in 1614 by John Napier. It is a device made for multiplication of two numbers using bones or rod printed with numbers. You can see numbers are printed on rods. Construction. Napier bones were consist of vertical bar made up of ivory rods. These are the ivory rods. These bones are 9 in number, marked with digits. You can see left to right and top to bottom. Each bone is divided into 9 equal parts. Construction. Each part is further diagonally divided into 2 equal parts. The lowest part represents unit and upper left part represents 10th place. So you can see how it is calculation done. When the digit 4 is multiplied by 3, the resulting 12 is written with the 1 above a diagonal and the 2 below. So 4 is multiplied by 3, you can have the result of 12. Due to this device, Napier also invented logarithm tables, as I told you. To understand in better way, watch following video using given link. Student, you can click on this link, or you can copy this link in browser, so you can understand in a better way how calculation can be done using Napier bones. This is the end of lecture for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.